Hello, to change alarm sound on our Samsung Galaxy A06, first we have to go into our clock application, and right here we have to go into alarm category and select any alarm that we want to change sound in. So we go, for example, into this one and we have to select alarm sound. We press it and we can either change the sound to some song from Spotify or to some songs that are factory in the phone actually, or some songs that we have, some custom like songs that we have in our phone. Yeah, just like that. So we simply select any song sound that we like to, and we can also change the noise of the volume of the alarm, and just like that we go back and we press save. Simple as that. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.